We got Mitchell's tinny up here in the shop today.
We're just gonna put a pro charger on it.
Gotta hit up this man. You got two out there, you're in the tent. Can't say what they are.
Alright guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we are out at West Palm Beach. Once again, we're out here with LEAO Tires. They've hooked it up with a brand new tent. We got all the guys over here lined up, the whole team. We're out here for Mayday Mayhem, which is pretty much like any other event, Fuel Fest, whatever. But this time they've changed out the layout a little bit. It's a little bit different this time. We're gonna go over there and check it out. But we're out here with LEAO Tires. We got some brand new Lion Sports on here. And we brought a bunch with us. They hooked us up with some new stickers for the car as well, and some fresh merch. But I don't know, we're gonna get out here and check out the layout, so let's get to it. So we're out here for the first lap on the LEAO Tires. We're gonna let you know how they do after this lap. Apparently they're super grippy, so we're gonna run about 35 PSI in them for the first try. We're just gonna give them a try, we'll let you know how they do. Let's go. US strip circuit, let's do it. That was a great first lap. I absolutely nailed it. This track's actually easier than I thought. So we're gonna take another one on the big track. So let's get to it. Let's go. Guys, so we went on the first lap. The first lap I had an issue with the MAF. I had to unplug it, but everything was all right after that. As soon as we took the second lap, everything was good. The tires are awesome. It barely even did anything to the tires at all. Like, look at that real close. Super satisfied with LEAO Tires. Can't thank Brian enough, but we out here. We're gonna get some more laps with the guys, and I don't know. I thought the track was a lot harder than it was at first, but ends up being pretty easy, so I don't know. We're gonna get back to it, so let's go. All right, so we're out here with Juan. He's the main vice president of LEAO Tires, and we can't thank this man enough for everything he's done for us. But we're out here, first day on the track with the new LEAO Tires. They gave us a tent. We got the car with all the tires. I actually took the first 2 laps, and the tires still look brand new. It's crazy.
That's what everybody says. Everybody's surprised of how long they last, really, for an all-season tire with a 4-something tread wear. It's really amazing.
Yeah.
So come out and try them out. Ask for them at your local independent dealer, and you know, give us your testimony. Let us know how you do with them. You know.
Hell yeah, guys! LEAO Tires. We're gonna be out here. You're gonna see a lot more of us from now on. But can't thank this man enough. We appreciate it, sir.
Thank you.
Let's get back on track. Let's go. All right, so we're going back out again. Give these tires a third try. Let's go. Let me go first. I go first. Freaking A. Well, the car broke, so it's like, I don't know, it's running rough.
You out of gas?
No?
I can have tow it. Yeah.
Damn it. I don't know. Alright, well, not sure what happened, but definitely the car will not stay started. Yeah, it's idling real rough. I don't know. Something's wrong, definitely. This ought to be pretty interesting. It's an E90 with a what in it?
It's a big V8.
It's got a huge V8 in it. About to see E85. It's going to be pretty sick. So we're going to go check Gorman. He's going to try it out. And it should be pretty crazy. So let's go. Gorman just got back from the ride. What do you think about that?
Dude was quick for sure. Super fast.
So he went on a ride in a high-powered car. It's a little bit different than riding in this car, huh?
Yeah, for sure.
LEAO Tires in the house. Let's go. We out here. So ends up the cam position sensor wire broke off and nowhere has one around here. But technically I learned that I should carry a couple with me. So from now on, I'm gonna carry some more with me, and maybe this shit won't happen next time, but we're pretty much at a bust, and we're gonna pack it up. I did get 3 laps though, and it was a fun weekend, but that's pretty much it for now. And we're gonna pack it up and get out of here. Be sure to comment, like, subscribe, and we'll see you on the next one. Later.